My name is Bruno Feldeisen. I'm a chef by trade, and I do host a TV show on CBC called The Great Canadian Baking Show. So I'm looking at the tea box, open it, start to grab the first smell of it. From there, I try to imagine what goes well together. So how do you frame and capture memories with food? So I believe little manipulation. We just need to infuse it somewhere. And what's the best component to infuse tea? Beside water, it's a cream, milk, or any form of dairy. So that becomes the support. So you want to create a body, a component to make it, to give it a motion. So I'm going to make a pudding out of it, and that the softness, the creaminess is just like a memory. It's like a cloud. Food creates amazing memories, but how do you capture it? The same way as you capture an event with photography. And then later on, you open the album of photos, go through it, and those memories come back. So how do you do it with food? And I think there is specific technique to capture that specific moment. You can either cure it, candy it, make a jam, and those really are like capturing a specific moment in time with food.